Hello, welcome to part 2 of the Survivor campaign. And you might know I've not started the video at the shelter. This is because I forgot to. Sorry, but I won't forget anymore. Well, I won't try to forget. So I'm gonna pick up where I last left off. Okay. Come on, lizard. Come on. Get down there. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Stupid green lizard. Why is there so many things here? Solved that problem. Come here. No. Okay. Yes. Nom nom nom. Did I really fall there? Why did I fall? Ow. Okay. Okay, since I fell, I guess I have to go a weird way to get back. If I know how to get back, that is. Oh, there's two of them. Great. Okay. Gotta rush this. How is there already not much time left? How am I alive? What the hell? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna reset back to the old, back to where I was. Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay. Since I am here. Wait, will I get back? Will I be able to get back to where I was? will I? Like getting past this jump, this annoying jump. Up, damn it! How do I do this? Now I've forgotten how to throw a spear downwards. Yay! There you go. Wait. There's food down here. Okay, now I get up this. Now for this jump. I can't make that jump, so how am I supposed to do that? And this map leads me to... Where does it lead me? What? At what does it sees me? Oh, he fell. Good. I might have to cheat. Don't like cheating, but most of the time I have to. Okay. Well, me cheating just didn't work. That's what I get for cheating. Now I have to go like this way, wherever this way is. Actually, I could just die right now, kill myself, just so I can spawn back and do whatever. That is a good thing. Kill myself so I can spawn. Where am I going? What is this? I'm going near Pipe Yard or something. What is this? Oh, since the fact there's pipes everywhere. I think I'm near the gate to Pipe Yard. Wait. I know exactly where I am. I don't think that's a good thing though. So I'm back over here, but I have really nowhere to go. Except for this area. Oh, wait, I know where I am. There's just one problem. Wait. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Come on, get. What? Okay, guess somebody going down here. Going back up. Going down. There we go. Eat the fruit. And now I will be at the shelter up here. Yeah. Let's go. I was not expecting I would end up back here, but if there's a save point, that's if I can save here, that's the only thing that matters. Okay, how do I get up there? That's how. Okay. Let's go. I've made it. Okay. Now what? Oh, what is this? Huh. I don't care. Do not care about the law. Like, who would? Who would care about the law of a 2D pixel art game? Oh wait, the flower. The karma flower has spawned back. Nice, good. Okay. Now I have to go up here, back down, over here. Slowly walk over there. Jump that gap. And now make it through here. Right, I need to find food first then. Is there food over here? One piece of food. Great. That is not enough. I hope I'll find more. Yes, there's a that right there. Why is threat music appearing? Is there any enemies here? Yes. Okay, that's why. Huh. What am I supposed to do? Oh, there's two of them. One of them knows where I am. Okay. What should I do? What can I do in this situation? I can't save because I don't have enough food. But if I go... Just have to do a stealth mission, I guess. Oh, great. I can't sleep there, though. Damn it. At least he's dead. At one. I made a mistake. Oh, damn it! What? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay. Well, at least I need to remember get enough food this time. One food. And since there's food right there, I'll just get that. Never mind. Wait. I can go through the middle one to get to it. There you go. Okay, there we go. Now I will be able to save there. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Great. Can I go around? Can I go around him? No. Wait, what? What was up there? Okay. So I need to kill that. You don't see me. Can I do it? Did I actually do it? Nope, I didn't. Wait. Please. Is he dead or alive? I don't know. Okay, he should be dead now. Well, I found something. Okay. No. What? Why do I have to pick up? This is getting annoying. I'm getting annoyed now. Great. This game really likes to see my downfall. And it likes to enjoy it. But I won't give up. I won't. Or never. Even if I would even though I feel like I want to, I won't. I will keep going, no matter how many times I will die. What? 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 What the hell? Hey, leave me alone. You won't kill me, right? Okay, good. Why does this game have to punish me in the most stupidest ways possible? When I haven't even done it. Great. Is that? Where am I? What? What the hell? What? If I spawn back here again, this time I won't fall through that stupid jump again. Because if I do, I'll just give up and go to garbage wastes instead. Instead of chimney canopy. And go speedrun mode. Okay. Nope. Come on. I can do it. Just make this jump. Yes! It wasn't that hard. But why did it have to be that hard? Damn it. I don't have the spear to get up that. Is there a spear? No. Let me go find one. I found a spear. How much time is left? A lot. I did see a white lizard though. Is it still there? No. Of course the green lizard has to be there though. Yeah, get down. Yes. Good job. There you go. There we go. I've done it. Finally. After way too much time. So, how is 20 minutes already passed? How? Doesn't feel like 20 minutes has passed, but somehow. I guess 20 minutes has passed. I need to. I don't want to cheat, but I feel like I want to. I want to cheat, but I also don't. What do I want to do? Come on. What am I supposed to do? Save by cheating, which I really don't want to do. Or die and spawn back there again. Oh, you know what? Screw it. At least now I can. Wait. What's the karma gate level on it? Do I have enough for it? Don't think I do. Damn it! Damn it! Damn. What? Just climb this. Come on, it's not that hard. Now see what's up here. Why am I going up here? I don't have enough karma yet. That lizard right there is gonna be an issue. Come on, no, he knows. Huh. Wait for it to turn blue. There you go. Okay. Now, what am I supposed to do? Alright, there's another lizard now. Where did he come from? I need to find a way to get more food so I can save again and save again. I need to save multiple times to increase the karma level so I can open the gate to the next region. What am I supposed to do? Wait. No, that's not enough. What the hell, man? What's over here? I've forgotten. Oh, that's that. Straight to Shaded Citadel. I refuse to go. I could go to Garbage Wastes. But should I? Should I? If I go to Garbage Waste, that means I'll go to a moon. And then... No, I shouldn't. If I do that, I won't be able to get max karma and be able to go to the end region to get the ending. So what am I supposed to do? These 8. No. Come here. Come here. Come here, bat. Yes. No. Yes. I got him. Now I can save again. Can I get past him? Oh, there's a blue. There's a blue. Does the blue know where I am? I'm guessing no, because he's just doing whatever. Okay. Now I have to repeat the process like 3 more times. Hello.
Guess what?
What?
It's gonna be good tomorrow.
Why?
Saber's gonna be a good little girl.
Hmm?
Auntie Carrie's having Leo.
Hmm?
Auntie Carrie's having Leo tomorrow.
Whoa.
We're gonna be there when her kitty pitty comes.
Okay.
And I'm gonna snitch him. I'm sorry, but he's mine. Nah, I'm only joking. He's Auntie Carrie's baby.